Alright, so we're going to start construction, and you want to start by making sure you have all of the materials that you're going to need. Number one, you're going to need a cutting device, of course, scissors. You can also use X-Acto blades if you want. You're going to need the material that you're going to use. I'm going to be using this card stock, which is a nice heavyweight piece of material. You're also going to need a pen or a pencil. I've got my template or pattern that I cut out of some loose leaf paper, and I'm also going to use just some of this tape, not for keeping things fastened, but just to hold things together as I'm waiting for them to dry, for the glue to dry. That way that'll save me a little time. Definitely want to have a pencil and some kind of straight edge. I'm going to use this triangle. You could use a ruler. You could even use an edge of another side of a piece of paper that's nice and straight. I'm also going to be using my fingernail file for scoring edges, so that when I want to make nice crisp fold out of a thicker material like this or out of the cardboard, this will help me to make those nice crisp folds, and I'll use that along with my triangle, or you can use a ruler for that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So I've already cut this template out. Remember, I said I traced this from my computer. So the next thing I'm going to do is actually trace around it. And I started the tracing here. So I traced around here. Now, what's a little tricky is I don't have these lines. And I can't really trace that very well, so I'm going to problem solve. And all I'm going to do is sort of fold back on the fold line. And that will help me to figure out the placement of these lines. Alright, so fold that. And I've got a line there. I'm going to fold it back this way. Get my next fold line. Let's see, for this fold line, let's fold it back. And I did pre-fold this. That's why it's folding so easily. And in that way, I'm getting all of my lines in here. Alrighty, and let's see if I've got one more right there. And I also wanted to check this template just to make sure, whoops, I missed one. I just wanted to make sure that this actually folded up to the kind of pyramid that I wanted. So that's definitely something I would recommend, is test your pattern. Make sure that it actually works. Okay, alright, so now I've got that and I can cut it out. And make sure that I'm ready to go. Make sure I've got everything. I will check it. That looks okay.